Ako po si Paulo Daet, Sable Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 12 meters. Printer head clean. Nozzle check. Punas ng copy at wiper after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Race tank. EVR naka 220 volts. Dito po yung inks, yung used and unused po. Consumable monitoring ng Cyan. Magenta, yellow, black, and yung Sable paper po. Sable daily output record. Sable daily checklist.